Hello. So in this video, we are going to see a teardown of HGLRC M100 GPS module. So I got this GPS module with this pack, and this is the brand new. But for some reason, it was not working with my FC. My FC was Omnibus F4 SD, and not only this, most of my I also got Miko Air GPS module. I will put that video next. So after decapping this, I just came to know, you can see this is what it looks like after decapping this. So unlike other GPS modules, so they used to have 3.3 volt LDO, which is a separate it is a voltage regulator, 3.3 volt voltage regulator. But in this, we don't have any regulator, 3.3 volt regulator. Instead, they gave small. I believe so. This is the diode, because I got a problem with this here only. So after came to know that, I'm not sure about that, but maybe this is some sort of diode, voltage reducing diode, so which gives like 5 volt to 3.3 volt. So that much voltage drop it has. So the issue was with first issue was with my compass was getting very hot, and I got no connection with my compass. So after like a minute, I got no connection with my GPS also. And apart from that, I don't think so it has thermal compensation crystals oscillators. uh, of course it has a amplifier for antenna, standard battery for to store the sitting, and it has EEPROM also, and nothing fancy in this. And I don't know, because I have two units of this, two of them, two of them just gone. They are all brand new. So this is the case. You can see the decapping of the HGLRC 100 GPS module. So it doesn't have any voltage regulator. That is on issue with this. But this is the only thing I just want to show you guys. So thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for another teardown of GPS module. See you.